So to download the Power BI desktop, just open your web browser over there and type Power BI desktop download. And it's a Power BI. It's a Power BI is owned by Microsoft, and just click on this link. So here this link takes to your download page directly, and over here see Microsoft Power BI desktop, and the default language is English. Just click on this download and just select this 64-bit. If you have any doubt about your system and what is the bit is about like that, just click on this uh, panel here and type about. So it will give you about your system. Let's see how it will be. Here see system type is 64-bit. So let I am just going with this to a 64-bit and just click on download. Yeah, here see download the starter. So let's wait for some time. So now the download has been completed, and just click on this folder. Here you see this has been downloaded, and just double click on this and let it be English as a default language and click on next. Yes, of course. Starter preparing install. Here just click on next and accept the terms and conditions. Just click on next, and if you want to change the file path you can change, or let just click on next and create a desktop shortcut. Yes, let it be like this, install. So it takes some times, you just wait for some minutes. So the installation has been successfully completed. Now I'm just unclicking the launch Microsoft Power BI desktop and just finish. See, now the Power BI desktop icon is here. You can access from here is you can just type here Power BI desktop and click on open. So it may take some time since we just installed Power BI. Yeah, here is the Power BI, and if you want to open blank report you can click here